right, we're going to practice doing some coloured sound dots for the long A when the vowel is a split vowel. So when we have an A and then an E at the end. Okay, so if you haven't done this lesson yet, you need to go and watch those videos first because this is our practice time. So this time we're going to use our red split vowel to remind us that we've got to have that E at the end. Okay, so the first word I'm going to give you is take. Okay, so we have t, a, k, and now I'm going to remember to put that E at the end. Take. There we go. Is that what you thought? Okay, let's have another go at a different word. So the next word is going to be lake. L, a, k. Okay, so I have L, a, k. Remember my E at the end. Excellent. All right, let's have a look at the word came. You ready? K, k, k. At the beginning of a word, it must be by itself. K, a, m. Now I'm going to have a go at writing it. Now I'm not going to write the letter K. I'm going to write the letter C, A, M. Put my E on the end. Excellent. All right, let's do another one. Let's do shame. Ooh, now I know that sh sound is represented by two letters, so it's a digraph. Sh, a, m. All right, so let's have a go at writing it. Sh, a, m. Well done. That was a tricky one. Let's have a go at another one. Let's have a look at the word race. All right, so we have a, s. Now I've done this one on purpose to try and trick you. So we have and we have a. Now we're writing split digraphs, so we know there has to be an E at the end, but what is going to make the S sound? It's going to be the letter C. Now, if you were thinking and yelling at the screen saying, it's an S, it's an S, this word isn't actually a word, but if you put the S here and there's an E after it, do you know what that E does to that S? It makes it represent the Z sound instead. So this is when we say that the E is bossy, because it sometimes can influence, so it tells other letters what to do. And if we have an S at the end of a word followed by an E, very, very, very often it's making a Z sound. So here, when we hear the S at the end of a word and we know that there's an E there, it's going to be the letter C, because this is what the E does to it. Instead of making its usual sound, which is K, it turns it into a soft sound, which is a S sound, okay? So we're going to have another practice of that. The next word you're going to write is brace. So we have B, R, A, S, B, R, oops, R, A. Oh, and I know what I just learnt, that it has to be the letter C because there's an E at the end. Brace, brace. Excellent. Now let's do one more of the same pattern. Face. Are you ready? So we have F, and now we have A, and we have S. Am I going to remember? F, A, S. That's right. Well done, champions. Now it's your turn to keep practicing on your own and keep trying to really remember how to spell these words. Well done.